Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI manga effect on TikTok. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you want to create these kind of videos where you turn yourself into an AI manga, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on this plus sign here at the bottom. Then tap on effects at the bottom left. Here tap on search and search for AI manga, M-A-N-G-A. In the search result, you're looking for this effect here, AI, and it looks like this. So go ahead and tap on that. Now as it reads, you can tap on the screen to take a picture or you can upload it from your gallery. So I'll press record. And once I'm ready, I'll tap on the picture to take a picture. TikTok will then process that image and will turn that into an AI manga. And there you go. I think it hasn't recognized it properly because I have a camera in the middle. So let's try another one. Let's try to upload a picture from my photo gallery. So here, for example, I have this picture. Let's see how it turns it into an AI manga. And there you go. It has turned it into an AI manga using the effect. So that is how to use the AI manga effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.